On this video today, I'm going to show you a high-paying offer that you can promote on CPA Group to make money from home. The best part is that I'm going to be showing you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can get the right people to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details for you to make money on CPA Group. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of them that you can join, but in this case I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for it and then create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, you're going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on it, you are going to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Group that you can promote to earn money from home. There are a lot of them. So any offer that you want, you can search for it and then promote it so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a lead. There are a lot of different offers. The offers are available in specific countries. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. You can see a lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers to promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting offers in Canada. So just search for Canada. Search for it. Once you search for Canada, you can see Canada. Click on it. Once you click on Canada, you are going to see a page like this. Once you scroll down, you can see these are offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in Canada. You can see they have 2 offers. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote it. But one thing that you must take note is that these offers are allowed in only Canada. You don't have to promote them to any country apart from Canada. If you promote them to a different country, when people click on your affiliate link, they are not going to get access to the offers, so you are going to be wasting your time. So make sure you promote the offers to people who live in Canada. Just promote to only people who live in Canada so that you can be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. These are CPA offers, so your potential visitors, they do not need to buy anything before you earn money. What they have to do is that they have to take a specific action so that you can be paid $12.83. The action that your potential visitors need to take is that they have to enter a PIN code so that they can stand the chance of winning back to school gift card. Once they enter their details, you are going to be paid $12.83. They don't need to buy anything. Even if they enter their details and they are not able to win the prize, you are still going to be paid once they have entered the required details. You can see the offer is allowed on Apple iOS. The second offer is allowed on desktop. It is the same offer that has been duplicated. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Canada to click on this link and then enter the required details so that they can stand the chance of winning back to school gift card. Once they enter their details, you are going to earn the payout. You can see $12.83. So now the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details. There are free traffic sources that you can use. You can also use the paid traffic source. In this case, I'm going to be showing you a free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. On this website, you can post your ad for free. The best part is that you can target any country that you want. You can restrict your ad to be shown to people who live in a specific country. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to post an ad about the offer that we are promoting so that we can get people who live in Canada to click on our affiliate link and then enter the required details so that we can be paid. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin posting your ads. To create an account, click here, register. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your username, enter your password, confirm your password, enter your email address, enter your website address if you have one. If you don't have a website address, just leave it. Once that is done, enter your last name, your first name. Once you enter those details, click on register. Once you click on it, you are going to get access to a free account. Once you create your free account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see a lot of different ads on the platform. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different ads. You can see the categories of ads that you can post on the platform. These are the countries that you can post your ad. You can see the United States. When you scroll down, there are many other countries that you can promote your ad to. So let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see right here, this is Australia. You can see Germany. You can see Greenland, see Norway, and the rest. So there are many countries that you can post your ad on this platform. You can see a whole lot of different countries. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to post an ad to the platform. To post an ad, click on post ad. Once you click on post ad, you're going to see a page like this. Just leave this option, leave it. The second one, leave it. The third option, you can see select to post in outside USA. You are going to post outside the United States. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here so that you can select the country that you are targeting. As I scroll, you can see many countries that you can select. In this case, the offer is allowed in Canada, so select Canada. Once you select Canada, you can see select to post in a worldwide city. Just leave it like this. You are not going to select anything. You can see ad will be posted in Canada. You can see it right here. Ad will be posted in Canada. You can see it. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to paste the title of your ad here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA Group so that you can copy and paste the title of the offer. Once you come back on CPA Group, you are going to highlight and copy the title of the offer. You can see it, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. Just paste it as your ad title. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, the next step is that you are going to select the category. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the appropriate category of your ad. So just scroll. You can see they have free stuff. If you want, you can select that. You can see gift, novelty, any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, I want to select gift novelty, so select that. Once that is done, you can see contact email. You are going to enter your email here. As you can see, that has been done. I've entered my email address. Once you enter your email address, you can see contact phone, manufacturer, model, year. Just leave everything. You can see price, so just leave everything because it is free. Just leave it. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to write a description of your ad. So you have to write some brief information about the offer that you are promoting and then paste it right here. As you can see, this is my description. You can see my description right here. If you want, you can also write your description like this and then paste it in the box. Now once you have your description, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link here. You can see web page URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA Group so that you can copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, you're going to scroll down. You can see YouTube video ID. You don't have one, so just leave it. You can see select an image from gallery. You don't have that, just leave it. Just leave all of this. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. So you are going to click right here, choose files, so that we can upload an image of the offer. But right now, we don't have an image. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA Group so that you can get an image of the offer. If you want, you can also do a Google search so that you can find gift card images and then upload them. In this case, I'm going to download the image of the offer on CPA Group. So once you're on CPA Group, put your pointer on the offer image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, the next step is that you are going to click on choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once you click on that, click on upload image. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. This is how it is going to appear, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on post ad so that you can post your ad onto the platform. Once you click on post ad, you can see the following ad posted successfully. Your ad has been posted successfully onto the platform. You can see this is the title of your ad. You can see this is your description. This is your affiliate link. You can see it right here. It is clickable. So when people in Canada see this ad and then click on your affiliate link, once they enter their details, you are going to be paid on CPA Group. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA Group, search for different offers, promote them to countries where they are allowed to be promoted. There are a lot of different countries on CPA Group that you can click on and then find offers to promote. So make sure you go and select a country find an offer, post it onto this platform. Once that is done, go back and search for another country, find an offer, come back on this website, post your ad on it, keep on posting many ads so that you can get results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.